Hello, so we are going to see how we can deploy desktop wallpaper through Intune policies. Now, I'm going to open Entra. I already have my devices enrolled through Windows Autopilot. You can see two devices. This image icon means it has been deployed through Intune. So, how to deploy a desktop wallpaper for all your devices? First of all, I have a group already, which is Autopilot devices for Windows 11, and one of the members are these devices, which I have in my VM. Now, to deploy a policy to the devices, let's go to intune.microsoft.com. Let's go to all devices. You can see two devices. This one's Windows 11, this one's Windows 10. We are going to do it for Windows 11, or you can do it for all if you have them under the same group, but I have under different groups. Let's go to manage devices and configuration. Let's click create new policy. Platform should be Windows 10 and later. Profile will be templates and click custom. Click create. You can name it desktop wallpaper. Description is up to you. Next, add. Name can be same thing, desktop wallpaper. Description can be desktop wallpaper for Win 11. Now this will be the URI. Just paste it here. Data type will be string, and the value should be of an image that's available to access without authentication. If it's under OneDrive, it won't work because it requires you to sign in. So I have kept it under a storage account in Azure portal. This is my storage account. The cost is very low, so feel free to create one. I have a container called wallpapers that I have my desktop wallpaper. We will be using this link, so just click copy and paste it and save. Then we'll go next. Now the assignments. Add groups, or if you want all devices, but I only want for my Windows 11, so I'm gonna click Windows 11, select. If you want to exclude anybody, you can exclude. Then rules, you can click rules such as OS editions, OS versions, any specific Windows, but I'm not going to keep any. Next will be create. You can click create, but I'm not going to go further as I already have one, which is the same thing. I have assigned it to Windows 11 and Windows 10 with the same settings. Now once it's assigned, this is my image in case you want to see it. Let's go. This is the image. So let's start my Windows 11. I'm going to log in. So as you can see, the policies have been applied. If they have not, you can open company portal, or if you don't have company portal, you can go to work or school, click info, go to sync, just click sync. The policies should be applied. After it's done, you have to sign out and sign back in and see that the policy is applied. You can also verify from here. You have to go to this location, edit, paste. You can see it took the URL. You can see the status 1. 1 means successful, 2 means downloading in progress, 3 means download failed. It could fail due to access. The image is not publicly accessible. My image has anonymous access, so downloading successful, and it's stored over here. This is the local location. Thank you for watching.